Okay, last class we were discussing comprehension. What is the meaning of comprehension? To generating the elements into the object by writing some logic in that object. That is nothing but a comprehension. The comprehension technique is applicable only on mutable objects like as a list to set to dictionary. List comprehension means to generating the elements into the list object by writing some logic in that list object. Okay, last class we will discussing matrix addition. Okay, same logic I am trying to implement it by using list comprehension. Okay, now observing very clearly here I am taking as a x equal to int of input of enter number of lists. Means list means number of rows, number of lists. Next one y equal to int of input of enter number of elements in each list. Okay, number of elements in each list means every row how many columns you want to require. This is a rows representation, this is a columns representation. Okay, enter the elements into X matrix. Now observing very clearly, not X matrix, here simply I am using A matrix. Now observing very clearly, previously 3 times I am written this logic, 3 statements are required. These 3 statements I am represented as a single. Okay, I want to generate the elements into list object. Which elements we want to generate it? List inside list. Okay, now I am taking as a list inside list. How many list objects are generated? Based upon X value. That's why here I am using for I in range of X. Next one, within that list, number of elements. How many number of elements we want to insert it based upon Y. That's why I am using for J in range of Y. Next one, I want to take the values at runtime. How to take the values at runtime? Simply, for suppose I want to take any type of value, a value of input. Now this entire result I am storing into one variable A. Okay, these are 3 statements logic. I am written as a single statement. Now next one, enter the elements into B matrix. Same logic. Just I am changing the name only. Okay, here I am taken as a B. Next, observing very clearly, print A matrix for row in A, print of row. Print B matrix for row in B. Next one, I want to generate the elements into C matrix, result matrix. Same logic. C equal to, here we are not taking the user input values. Take the post row, post column element from A matrix plus next one post row, post column element from B matrix. At the time, how to write the logic? A of I, J plus same logic. Just previously I am taking as X matrix and Y matrix. Now I am taking as A and B matrix. A of Ij plus B of Ij. row in C. Now number of list 2. Each and every list I want to insert in 2 elements. Totally how many elements we want to insert in? 4 elements, 2 by 2 matrix. Enter the elements into A matrix 3, 2, 4, 1. Enter the elements into B matrix 4, 2, 7, 1. Now the result matrix is 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, same example, just I am implementing comprehension technique. Completed. Okay, this logic is suitable for any type of order. For suppose I am taking as a 3 by 3. Number of rows 3, and each and every row how many elements? 3 elements. Totally 9 elements we are inserted. This is the A matrix, B matrix, and result matrix.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what is the, main use of this comprehension technique? And where exactly we use this? What is the purpose of this technique?
The major advantage of comprehension to reduce the length of the code, but the disadvantage is lesser readability, and improve the performance is the advantage. Okay, not a situation. Previously, one example I'm explaining matrix addition, that is a normal procedure.
Yeah.
Same logic, if you're interested, we can take the list comprehension to reduce the number of statements, at the same time to improve the performance. But a list comprehension is a lesser readability when compared to normal program. If you know comprehension technique, we can implement the comprehension. If you don't know comprehension, simply we can write the manual procedure.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, advantages, comprehension. To improve the performance, to improve the performance. Next one, to reduce the better length of the code, that means to provide better modularity, to provide better modularity, to reduce the length of the code, that means to provide better modularity of our application. Next one, disadvantages, comprehension. Lesser readability. Next, observing your assignment questions. Write a program to move the zeros at a ending position. At ending position in a given list. My sample input is My expected output is 9, 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 0, 0, 0. That is my expected output format. Okay. Next, second assignment question. With a program, take the list as a input, and take one base number as a integer, integer. Next one, we want to generate below the base number value elements into one list, and above the base number value element into another list. For suppose my sample input is, take the list as a input 5, 8, 12, 13, 1, 21, 4, 15, 7, 23, 0, 9. Okay. Now I'm taking as a base number equal to 8. Okay, my requirement, my expected output format is one list contain below the base number. What are the below the base number values? 5, 1, 4, 7. Next, second one, above the base number 12, 13. Next one 21. Next one 15. Next one 23. Next one 9. Next one, your assignment question. Write a program to convert nested list into flatted list. Write a program to convert nested list into flatted list. My sample input is this is my nested list. Flatted list means list of 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 1, 0, 6. Next, another assignment. Write a program to find the maximum salary, minimum salary, and average salary from the given list of employees data. Write a program to find the maximum salary, minimum salary, and average salary from the given list of employees data. At runtime, we can take any data. For suppose I'm taking as a employee ID 101, employee name Shiva, and the salary is 3,000. Next, second employee 102, and Rama, and the salary is 2,000. Next one, third employee 103, Krishna, and the salary is 25. Minimum salary, I want to print it minimum salary, maximum salary, average salary. Average salary means 2,000 plus 3,000, 5,000, 5,000 plus 7,500. Okay, 7,500 by 3. Now, what is the average value? 7,500 by 3. 25,000. 25. That is the average salary. Okay, list data structure is over. Now we will discussing tuple. Data structure. Okay, in Python, the tuple data type having tuple class. In Python, the tuple data type having tuple class. We can create a tuple object. We can create a tuple object by using parenthesis or by calling tuple function or tuple of iterable object. We can create a tuple object by using parenthesis or by calling tuple function or tuple of iterable object. We can create a tuple object by using parenthesis or by calling tuple function or tuple of iterable object. Okay, now observing very clearly, I am creating a one tuple object, empty tuple object I am created. Next one, y equal to tuple function I am calling, z equal to next one, a equal to tuple of, it takes the parameter as any iterable object. Now I am passing one string object, string is a one iterable object. That iterable object is converting into tuple object. Next one I am taking as a tuple of list of 5, 3, 8, 6. type of okay, next point, tuple is immutable or immutable? Tuple.
Immutable.
Tuple object is a immutable object, but it allows both immutable and immutable. Immutable objects. Tuple object is a immutable object, but it allows both mutable and immutable objects.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, tuple object, immutable object, but allow the both immutable and immutable object. అర్థం కదా సార్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అది.
Example చెప్పండి చూడండి.
Okay, okay.
Now I am taking as x equal to one tuple object. Tuple is a immutable, but inside the tuple object we can inserting any type of elements, either mutable or immutable. Now I am taking as a 2, 2 is a integer, integer is a immutable. 3.1, that is a float, float is a immutable. String, string is also immutable. And the complex, complex is also immutable. And the boolean value, that is also immutable. Next one I am taking as a list object. List is a which object? Immutable object. These are all immutable elements. This is a mutable element. But this is a mutable. These are all immutable. But this entire tuple is a immutable. That means we cannot modify the inside the tuple object elements. Completed. Next one, in tuple object, insertion order is preserved. In tuple object, insertion order is preserved. Because of that reason, tuple object is a sequence object. In tuple object, insertion order is preserved. That means at the time of inserting which order we are following, same order we are getting the output. That's why list to tuple are sequences. Okay, at the time of inserting which order we are following, same order we are getting the output. That's why we are calling as a sequence object. Next one, tuple object allows duplicate elements. Tuple object allows duplicate elements. So suppose A equal to tuple of 4, 5, 5, 7, 4, 6, 7, again 5, 4, 6. Tuple object allows duplicate elements. అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది మోర్ దాన్ వన్ టైం ఉంటే దాని డూప్లికేట్ అంటాం. Completed. Next one, tuple object allows both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Tuple object allows both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Homogeneous means similar type of elements. Homogeneous means similar type of elements. That means all the elements are same type of elements. Y equal to, I have taken as a tuple object 5, 9, 7, 2. Now these all elements are which type of elements? Integer type of elements. Z equal to Shiva. Now tuple object contains some element. These all elements are string type of elements. This is the example of homogeneous. Heterogeneous. That means dissimilar type of elements. Heterogeneous means dissimilar. That means different type of elements. Different type of elements. This is an example of heterogeneous elements. Heterogeneous elements. Completed. Next one. Tuple object supporting indexing concept. Indexing concept. Okay, already we were discussing in Python, indexing can be categorized into two types, positive and negative. In tuple object, each and every element having unique indexing. In tuple object, each and every element having unique indexing. Next one, we can retrieve only one element from the tuple object at a time. In that case, we are using indexing. We can retrieve only one element from the tuple object at a time. In that case, we are using indexing concept. Okay. Now I want to print 2. How to print the 2? Simply x of 0. Now I want to print Shiva x of 2. Now I want to print 6, 7 simply by using negative indexing x of -1. Now I want to print I character from Shiva. X of 2 of I means 1. Now I want to print 6. X of minus 1, 0. Okay, this is the indexing concept. Completed. Next one, list tuple object supporting tuple object supporting slicing concept. Tuple object supporting slicing concept can retrieve more than one element, more than one element. We can retrieve more than one element from the tuple object at a time. Case we are using slicing concept. We can retrieve more than one element from the tuple object at a time. In that case, we are using slicing concept. In that case, we are using slicing concept. We can retrieve more than one element from the tuple object at a time. In that case, we are using slicing concept. This is my tuple object. I want to print to post 3 elements, simply colon 3. Now this is a stop value. Stop value is a excluded value. We are not specifying any starting value, by default starting from 0. 0 automatically incremented by 1. 0 plus 1, 1 means 3.1. 1 plus 1, 2 means Shiva. 2 plus 1, 3, but 3 is a stop value, that is a excluded value. For suppose I want to print last 3 elements, at that time we are using simply negative indexing minus 3 colon. Starting is minus 3, this is a minus 3, and incremented by 1. Incremented by 1 means minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 means this is a 6 comma. I want to print only these 2 elements. In that situation, x of 2 colon 4 we are passing. For suppose I want to print it within the Shiva post 3 characters. How to print that one? First to go to Shiva. Next one, post 3 characters, colon 3. I want to print it within the Shiva last 3 characters in reverse order. Last 3 characters in reverse order. How to print that one? X of 2. Last 3 characters means minus 3 colon. That result I want to print it in reverse order. How to print that one? Colon colon minus.
Someone's explained that x of 2 colon 4, no?
Okay, 2 is a starting value and 4 is a stop value. From 2 to 4 means 2 and 3. 2 means Shiva, 3 means 4J. Okay, first value is starting value, second value is stop value. We are not passing any third value, that is a step value. By default, step value is plus 1. Okay, starting is 2, 2 means Shiva. Next one, 3 means 4J, but 4 is a stop value, that is a excluded value. Next one, we cannot modify the tuple object data, tuple object elements. Because tuple object is a which object? Immutable. Tuple object is a immutable. Cannot modify the tuple object data because tuple object is a immutable object. Now observing very clearly. Now this is my tuple object. I am trying to updating this element 2 to 20. X of 0 equal to 20. Now tuple object does not support item assignment because tuple is a immutable. Now I'm trying to updating Shiva with Krishna. X of 2 equal to Krishna. For suppose I'm trying to updating 6, 7 to 60, 70. X of minus 1 equal to list of 60, 70. Okay. Next one, observing very clearly, I am trying to updating I character with U character. How to updating X of 2, I character means 1. Now I am using second indexing. This indexing is related to which object? String object. String is immutable or immutable? String is also immutable. That's why here we will get the one message. String object does not support item assignment. Previously tuple object. Now string object. That means single index value is related to tuple. We can go to multi-indexing. That indexing should be represented individual elements of tuple object. Now 2 of 1 means that is a which object? String object. Next one I am trying to updating 6 to 60. X of minus 1 means that is a tuple object element. Now list object element index value is 0. Now I am trying to updating 60. Now it is possible or not possible? It is possible because that is a list. List is a mutable. Okay, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ మొత్తాన్ని మనం చేంజ్ చేయలేం because that element is available in the which object? Tuple object. But we can updating the inside the list object element because list is a mutable object. Okay, and later we will discuss in this concept. Okay, observing very clearly, we are using multi-indexing. In that situation, it is depends upon the individual element. That's why here we will get the output is string object. Completed. Next one, tuple object supporting. Tuple object supporting nested tuple mechanism. Nested tuple. Okay, nested tuple means a tuple object inside another tuple object. Nested tuple means a tuple object inside another tuple. Now I'm creating a empty nested tuple. And y equal to now observing very clearly, I want to print 8. How to print the 8? How to print the 8? 8 y of 1 of 0. I want to print 7 by using negative indexing. Y of minus 2 of minus 1. Next one I am taking as a one more nested tuple 3, 5. My requirement I want to print 7. How to print the 7? Z of 2 of again 2 of next again 0. Now I want to print 8 by using negative indexing. Z of minus 2 of next one minus 3. Okay, minus 2 means this entire is a minus 2. Next one minus 1, minus 2 and a minus 3. In next class we will discuss in remaining continuation of tuple class.